These days, the touchscreen in your vehicle is a pretty big deal. And if you've got the Uconnect 12-inch radio with 4C nav, it's even bigger. It's your home base for music, news and information, vehicle settings, mobile device connections, and navigation. Let's take a closer look. Press the Media button on the touchscreen to change to a radio mode. You can choose from AM, FM, or satellite if equipped, and store your favorite channels to various preset buttons on the touchscreen. Bringing your own music along for the ride? The Media screen lets you select different sources like auxiliary input jack, Bluetooth wireless, or several USB ports. And speaking of USB ports, when you connect a compatible Apple or Android smartphone, you get access to a variety of apps, including text messages, phone calls and voicemail, maps, music, podcasts, audiobooks, and more. To pair your phone to the Uconnect system via Bluetooth, first, make sure your vehicle is parked and the ignition is in the ACC or on-run position. Press the phone button on the Uconnect touchscreen. If no phones are connected, the system will ask if you'd like to pair a mobile phone. Select Yes. The system will begin searching for Bluetooth connections. Go to Settings on your compatible smartphone and make sure that Bluetooth is on. When the Uconnect system is recognized on your phone, tap Uconnect and accept the connection request. When prompted, verify the PIN and accept the connection request by tapping Yes on your Uconnect touchscreen and Pair on your smartphone. The touchscreen also gives you access to your comfort settings and customer programmable features. And you can easily organize the main menu bar of the Uconnect display with a simple drag and drop. Download the Uconnect app for remote access to your vehicle, and you can start, locate, lock, and unlock your vehicle all from your mobile device. It's that big and that simple. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.